There you go. Drop that back knee. I'm watching you, Devin. There you go. Almost there. Go, Dylan. Good work. Good work. Come on. You're halfway there, man. Don't push your hands on your knee to get up. Use all leg. There you go. Good job, Dylan. Excellent. Oh, don't let it touch now. Come on, EJ. Come on now. Finish strong. Still got some ways to go. There you go, Dylan. Come on. You're almost done.